Fine girl. Hello, excuse me. Hello, fine girl.
What? What is it?
Jesus. Monkey face. Jesus.
You are mad. Your generation monkey face. Nonsense boy.
Fine girl. Fine girl.
What? What is it?
Hey, monkey face. Monkey face, yo. Monkey face.
Well, I need to do something about this monkey face. Why is everybody saying I have monkey face? I need to do something about it because this is serious.
Yes, I'm here. Yes. Don't worry, God will visit
Thank God
you.
they are here.
God will visit you. Believe, just be prayerful. Are you still on fasting? Okay, let me call you back. Let me call you back. Sister Margaret, what is it?
Good days, Pastor. That the people are saying that I look like monkey, and I know you can do it. You're a spiritual man. Please, just pray for me. Please, please, please.
Sister Margaret,
Sir,
who did you meet on the road when you were coming here?
I can't remember.
You can't remember.
Yes.
There's a lady with black. You encountered her while you were coming on the way.
Yes, young girl, come here. What is it? Come here. Are you not seeing? What is it?
Are you not seeing?
What is it?
Are you not seeing? Didn't you see me?
Are you not seeing me?
Okay, pick this bag.
I will not try it. Wait, do you know who I said I will not try it? Who are you? Who you be? You dey whine. It's already. You dey whine. See monkey. See your face as you dey like monkey. You resemble monkey. Person never tell you. Na me don't tell you. You resemble monkey.
Me monkey? Me monkey? Wait, I will show this girl how monkey looks like. Your face now.
And you insulted her. You told her that she looks like monkey, right?
Yes. One like that. Yes.
Why would you insult her? You were at fault in the first place.
But she was rude to me.
Why would you not keep quiet, keep your mouth shut?
Sir, I'm sorry.
Sometimes you people use your mouth to bring the curse upon the people.
I'm sorry.
You're sorry what?
I'm sorry.
Is this what I'm teaching you all in school, in the church?
Sorry, but just pray for me, please.
I should just pray for you. Are you commanding me to pray for you?
No, sir. No, sir. Sorry, sir.
Why would you be doing that?
Sorry, sir.
When did you become so aggressive? Sister Margaret.
I'm sorry.
When? Tell me.
I'm very, very sorry. I don't know. I'm very, very sorry. Please.
If not that you are my spiritual daughter, what I will do to you will not like it.
Sorry, sir.